Your skin deserves better than a science project gone wrong. Yet thousands of people are falling for the lure of this specific collagen mask. It sounds sophisticated. It sounds like that high-end beauty routine we all see in glossy magazines, promising that perfect, doughy, glass skin look. But we need to look past the shiny ads for a moment. Real people are reporting that this mask feels like wearing a layer of stiff, cold plastic. It starts out wet and ends up crispy. Think about that for a second. You're trying to deeply hydrate your cells, but instead, you are waking up with a face that feels tight and dry. Some users even had to deal with a sore throat or strange, freezing sensations throughout the night. That is not a beauty treatment. It is a physical discomfort. The brand claims over 40,000 women have transformed their skin, but when you look at actual independent reviews, the sentiment is completely different. People are calling it a total waste of money. They are saying it does not fit the face properly. It is awkward. It is ineffective. And then there's the website itself. It is designed to make you panic buy. You see those flashing banners. You see the 75% off deals. You see that little countdown timer ticking away the seconds, telling you the offer is about to expire. It is a classic high-pressure tactic. They want you to act before you have time to think. But if you clear your browser and go back, the timer starts all over again. It is a fake urgency meant to trick your brain. Then we have the photos. This is a massive red flag. The before and after images they use to sell the dream, they are not even original to the product. Many of them are just stock images or photos taken from other parts of the internet. If the product actually worked, they would have their own photos, right? They throw around these big, impressive numbers too. They claim 96% of users saw smoother skin in just 2 weeks. They say 92% saw smaller pores, but they never show the work. There is no survey data. There are no clinical trials. There is no methodology. It is just a list of percentages meant to make the product look legitimate. They use vague phrases like a glow that gets noticed or an all-in-one beauty boost. These sound great, but they mean almost nothing without proof. In reality, many people are finding that a basic, cheap, store-bought mask from a pharmacy actually provides better results than this expensive, overhyped plastic sheet. You're paying for the marketing, not the ingredients. You're paying for the fake timers and the stolen photos. It is a hollow promise wrapped in a fancy name. Be careful where you spend your money. If a brand has to rely on tricks and pressure, it probably does not have a product that can stand on its own merits. Keep your routines simple, and avoid the trap of the miracle that leaves you feeling crispy and disappointed. Your face is worth more than a risky gamble on a sketchy website. So stay skeptical, and look for brands that value honesty over hype.